Hey everybody, FishTheStick here. Today we're going to be reviewing this Today we're going to be reviewing this foam dart blaster from the Dollar Tree. It includes 6 darts, comes with the blaster, 6 elite darts, and instructions on the back. So now, let's open this thing up. Oh gosh. Included are 6 Nerf quote-unquote elite darts, and the blaster. Now let's see it fire. Pull back on the priming handle, pull the trigger, and it is so very depressing because it just fires so sad. I mean, the tips on these things are very not soft either. Just listen to that. Listen to that smack. Now for a little bit more range. Now we're going to test it with an elite dart. Probably should have gotten a better elite dart, but hey. That was a lot sadder. And now we're going to test the darts that come with it in an elite blaster. Oh! That sounded scary. Shoot another one. Wow. Alright. And now it's my overall thoughts. This thing is definitely more of a last resort blaster. Now, I know a lot of blasters like this are last resort blasters, but this is so low power that you really aren't going to be using it in any other case. Now, one thing I did find interesting is this little iron sight up at the top may not be an iron sight, although not labeled on the package. It works as a dart storage. Surprisingly, very good. Okay, well, I would go to say very good, that would fall off, wouldn't I? A decent dart storage. So, if nothing else, you get a dart storage out of it. Plus, I mean, load one in, fire it off, switch it out. It's pretty decent. But yeah, surprisingly, not as bad as you'd think it would be. Could probably go for maybe an upgraded spring or something to make this not as useless as it seems. But other than that, not terrible.
But also, the thing's $1, so there's objectively no reason not to buy this.
So I hope you all enjoyed this review, and I'll see you all next time. Peace out.